India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its seed and very weighted. I shall always strive to humanity of peace. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. Indian well-being and prosperity Allah bless my happiness. Thank you, sir.